This is for Ellie, showing the electroluminescent receiver that I just built. So this is on 40 meters, and this is FT8 band. Let's see if we can catch some CW. There's some CW. You can see if we switch to the 20 meter band here. Let's do that. Pardon me. So that's on 20 meters. Let's find the FT8. You've got to adjust the filter here. So there's FT8 on 20 meters. See if we can find some CW. Had something there. It's gone again now. There's someone calling CQ. So these LEDs down here indicate the frequency that the VFO is outputting. So this one, for 20 meters, it's 10455, and if we switch back to 40 meters, you can see that LED goes off. Oh. LED goes off, and then that's the 10545 VFO comes into play there. And we've picked up something on 40, so let's Anyway, so that's it. A lot of fun. See you, Els.